As we all know that the survival of endangered species of vultures have already become a very great challenge to keep up with their population and provide the habitat and availability of food for them to grow in numbers. Especially in India, over the past decades, the numbers have drastically gone down by 90%. Uh, Now, with the remaining 10% of vulture population around India, thankfully there is like quite a good population up here in the mountains of the Himalayan range.